everyone, how are we all? Paul79 here. It's Friday night and I'm feeling alright. Hope you've all had good weeks. As usual, I'm knackered. But no, it's all been good. Had a very sort of hectic, busy week at work and stuff, but it's all good. I love my job. You're obviously probably noticing you're seeing me from a different angle now because I've only gone and bought myself a GoPro. I was talking about it last week on the steering wheel video and I was thinking about buying one, but I felt that I needed to do some sort of some research before. So basically my research involved just on the way to work Monday just looking on eBay and buying a second-hand one. So sorry about that. No, I knew that I've got a number 7, Hero 7, whatever that means. And it does absolutely everything that I want it to do. So yeah, second hand, 200 quid, brilliant. Got all the tripod and everything like that. So, and it's just a lot easier to make the old videos as opposed to using the old phone and uploading it, then downloading it and all that sort of stuff. So, yeah, so that's what I've been up to. Couple of shout outs this week. I met a very good friend of mine from America this week, Davey B. I haven't seen him for a good few years. He's a work colleague of mine, but it was lovely to see him. Had a couple of beers, and he's recently got married, which is great, so congratulations. And he's going to be a dad, and I've always said he would be a great dad, so that's fantastic that that's happening. So lovely to see you, Davey B. Sorry it was so short. And also Loretta, a good friend of mine I used to work with. I saw her this week and she's doing really well, so that's all great. Lovely to see Loretta. Hope you're doing okay. So this week, what we're going to do, we're going to have a little bit of fun, right? I hope to do some proper car stuff over the weekend, but tonight, what we're going to do is, remember the steering wheel that I had to take off in the last video that I used to have on the white car? I destroyed it. I had to destroy it taking it off, so I can't sell that to anyone. I wouldn't want to do that. It's not fit for purpose. So I had a great idea of trying to make it into a clock, yeah, because that would be a great clock, you know, like that. My mum has always said, hello mum, she always asks for a shout out, so hello mum, hope you're doing okay. Nice to see you the other day. Make do and mend, yeah? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make do with this and mend it and just turn it into something else, right? And I think a clock is going to be a good thing. So what I've done is I've bought off, where is it? Bought off eBay like one of these little clock things, you know, and it comes with like the hands and stuff like that. What I needed to get was something to fill that gap. Yeah, because obviously the airbag used to go there. So all this week I've been going around shops, supermarkets, looking for some sort of plastic sort of round thing. I was focusing on Tupperware to start with, to sort of just fill that gap to then mount the clock mounting on. And what I did is I managed to find this, which is the lid of a yogurt pot, right? That's all it is. So what I've done is I've sprayed it black, and the idea is that will fit inside the steering wheel. Oh, what's that? That's the keys. And then I have the clock. I'm going to have a badge on there, and I'm going to have the clock face, and then I'm going to put it up there in place of that clock. And there you go, and it's just going to sit there. So that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, a bit of fun. Nothing really car related, but you know, I like to do these little projects every now and then. So yeah, so I'll see you in a bit. Go. So what I've got here is the famous yogurt lid. I'm going to turn this light off actually. Oh no, that's not as good, is it? Right, maybe we have to put up with the flicker. But yeah, so I've got the yogurt lid and I sprayed it black, right? So the idea is then I've got the clock mechanism that will come through the back. And then I got one of these badges that I had. I've got loads of these sort of badges, and the idea is I drilled a hole in it, and then I'm going to put that there, and then that'll be bolted together. Put the hands on the clock on that thing, and then just mount it in there with like butyl tape, and that should work. So there we go. So I've mounted the clock mechanism into the yogurt pot lid, stuck the badge on, screwed it down with a spanner, put the hands on like that, and then that's going to go in there. So I just need to go and get a battery to put in before I install it. So there we go, stuck a battery in, it works, it's 10 to 8. And there you go. So I just need to put it on the wall now. So there you go, it's up now. And it's working, it's 8:15. I know it's a bit silly, but quite pleased how that turned out, to be honest with you. And it gives the steering wheel a new lease of life. Anyway, I'll see you later, guys. Bye-bye.